Featuring a baby carrier ergonomic design, you can't go wrong with it. A perfect way for mothers to hold their baby closer without ever feeling exhausted. You might think that you don't need a baby carrier because you could always use a baby stroller when you read out, or you can use the trusty bouncy seat at home. However, the truth is that the ergonomic baby carrier is the ultimate product which let your baby relax against you, while you carry on with your own work, since the carrier leaves your hands totally free. That's why the ergonomic baby carrier is your best bet. Your toddler stays happy being carried by you while your arms stay absolutely free as you go about your day. Order now, your baby needs you to take action. You'll fall in love with it. We promise. To learn more about the ergonomic baby carrier, please click the URL in the description. You don't have to worry about your kid feeling uncomfortable in the slightest because the head is protected by the cushioning in the ergonomic baby carrier. If you have just welcomed a baby into this world, then you definitely need to purchase something as reliable as the ergonomic baby carrier to make things easier. It's the best thing you could ask for to ensure your baby stays safe and comfortable while you go about the many tasks you have to complete for the day. Versatility of use. Exceptional design. With the cross-arm option, you can carry your child horizontally until he or she is up to 3 months old. Meanwhile, the face-to-face or chest-way, kangaroo style, and back carry can be used until your child is up to 24 months old. Keep your baby close. No more exhaustion. Order today. Just click the link in the description for further details. By ordering the ergonomic baby carrier right now, you can keep your loved one close without an ounce of exhaustion. Shipping is quick and you can have the ergonomic baby carrier be delivered as soon as possible. This item comes with a refund option. So, you have assurance you'll be investing in something that's reliable. Your child needs your love. Don't let your busy life stop you from bonding with your baby. Click the link in the description. What are you waiting for?